Hey guys, NASCAR Racing 18 here with some more Diecast unboxing. We are going to do from Disney Pixar cars from the next generation wave, Barry DePEDAL, which is the next generation RPM 64 car. On the back are some more next generations. Let's get Barry DePEDAL out of the box. The pedal out of the box. So here he is. So Barry is the number 64 RPM car, which is what RPM sponsors in the number. But the major, and there's some orange and some bit of yellow. There is the 64. The major difference is that in the Cars 3 and the Cars 1 version, there's usually a lot of yellow and some blue. But now it's like completely blue with a little bit of orange and yellow. As you see on the bag, there's the new RPM sign, and on here, RPM. And the 64 has changed a little, but it still does look a little bit the same as the 6 propels throughout a little. And there is some purple on the sides right here, with some orange too, basically. I forgot to tell you about that part. And that's about it. Well guys, thanks for watching this episode, and more will be out soon. Thanks for watching.